Welcome, everyone! This 4th of July was truly special. My wonderful friends joined me and my kids for a day filled with laughter and sunshine. We ate classic cheeseburgers and hot dogs, alongside delicious corn on the cob, crispy fried chicken, flavorful yellow rice and peas, and a comforting baked ziti. Our big Coleman cooler was packed with refreshing drinks for everyone, from the grown-ups to the little ones. We spent the afternoon splashing in the water and soaking up the sun, followed by an absolutely breathtaking fireworks display. As the night wound down, we headed home, tired but with hearts overflowing with joy and gratitude for these precious memories. Thank you for being a part of our celebration. The feeling of accomplishment when they built a particularly impressive sandcastle, the thrill of discovering a unique shell, the sheer delight of splashing in the waves. These were the small victories that made the day so special. Each moment was a building block, contributing to the overall masterpiece of our beach adventure. And as the day drew to a close, and we gathered our belongings, there was a sense of bittersweet satisfaction. We were tired, yes, but it was a good kind of tired, the kind that comes from a day well spent, a day filled with purpose and joy. The quiet ride home, with the children peacefully asleep, was a moment of reflection, a chance to savor the memories we had created. This 4th of July was more than just a holiday. It was a celebration of life, of connection, and of the simple pleasures that make life so rich. It was a day where we were all hotter than the sun, in the best possible way, fueled by the warmth of our shared joy and the magic of a perfect beach day. Thank you for letting me share this little piece of our 4th of July with you. It's days like these that truly fill the soul. If you enjoyed this story, please consider following along for more moments of joy and connection.
Now, this is what you call Night Beach. This is one of the best days of the beginning of the summer. We still have a whole lot more of adventures to go on and days to spend outside and enjoy the nice breeze and, get sunbath and, all that good stuff that you do in the summer. Even though it's only 3 months of summer, we still have to make the best of it. And this day right here was so relaxing. Yes, I yelled a few times at the kids. Yes, I did a whole bunch of things. You know what I mean? But I have fun. Out of all the things I did, I made memories. I had fun with my kids. My friend was there. Her man was there. You know what I mean? A few more people were supposed to come. And it's okay. They didn't make it. It's fine. I have more events to do where they could attend. But this day right here, it's nothing like sitting down at the side of the ocean and relaxing, having you a nice cold beer or having you a nice cold soda and enjoying the day with your kids or friends or family. Ain't nothing more special and memorable than that. Watching the video, and if you like with the content that I'm putting out, don't hesitate to comment, share, subscribe, inbox me. I don't know, give me some ideas of content I should be making. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Yeah, I'm just out here living my best life, hey. And I'm just out here chilling, feeling like a million, kicking it like it's my birthday, hey. I'm gonna do exactly what I want. I'm gonna sip on something strong, singing. I'm just out here living my best life, yeah. Alright. You know that I'ma do today like there's no tomorrow. Be cool with everybody now, we ain't about that drama. Work a little less just to play a little more. I don't know about y'all, but one thing I know for sure is I'm just out here living my best life, hey. And I'm just out here chilling, feeling like a million, kicking it like it's my birthday, hey. I'm gonna do exactly what I want. I'm gonna sip on something strong, singing. I'm just out here living my best life, yeah. Woo! Living my best life, yeah. Yeah, I'm just out here living my best life, hey. And I'm just out here chilling, feeling like a million, kicking it like it's my birthday, hey. I'm gonna do exactly what I want. I'm gonna sip on something strong, singing. I'm just out here living my best life, yeah. Alright. You know that I'ma do today like there's no tomorrow. Be cool with everybody now, we ain't about that drama. Work a little less just to play a little more.